Today we're going to announce the winner of the big B&C giveaway and tell you about what else is going on at Parts Express. Talent's silent disco systems provide a personalized listening experience for a vast array of applications. Silent discos are events in which audiences use a pair of dedicated headphones to select what they want to hear, from battling DJs to language interpretations for presentations and more. To learn more about silent discos, check out the links in the description. Now is the time to be getting presents for loved ones, and if you have a speaker lover or even someone who wants a great way to listen to music, check out the holiday gift guide. Some items are on sale too, so you can get a spectacular price on these perfect presents. The engineers at Dayton Audio put full effort into designing these fantastic bookshelf speakers. These speakers produce defined bass and high detail with no fatiguing peaks for long-term listening. Check out the MK602X and pick up the latest in bookshelf speakers from Dayton Audio.
Hey guys, it's Jeff from B&C Speakers. We sponsored the giveaway last month for Parts Express. We decided to give one lucky winner a set of FB10CX64 10-inch coaxial drivers and matching crossovers. We did this because there's a suggested design on the B&C Speakers page, which will be linked below. Alright, and now, the winner is David W. from Kingston, New Jersey. Congratulations, David. I hope that you enjoy your parts. Soon, somebody will be in touch with you from Parts Express.
Thanks, Jeff, for stopping by to announce the winner. This month, our giveaway is for a $250 shopping spree from Dayton Audio. Pick and choose from all sorts of great products to get, build, or upgrade your system. Thank you, Dayton Audio, for the giveaway, and good luck to everyone who enters. We'll see you next month.